Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Minecraft on PC. So let's choose start button and select Microsoft Store. Just wait. And you are just going to tap on search bar, just type for Minecraft and so lot of option for Minecraft here. You can select for the paid version or free version. It's a lot of option for Minecraft here, and I don't really understand. So select this one and um, just wait and select get, and you are just going to download the um, these apps, and after you download it, you can click the install button appears here. So that's how to install Minecraft on PC. I hope this information or tutorial helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.